Hello guys and welcome back to Techies Guru channel. Today we are going to be learning how to change password on Facebook. Here is a tutorial on how to change your Facebook password. First of all, open the Facebook app. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. After that, tap on setting. In setting and privacy, you can see here account center. Tap on it and scroll down. Tap on password and security. In password and security, you can see here change password. Tap on it and choose your Facebook account. Enter your current password in current password field. After entering your current password, type your new password. Ensure it is strong and secure password. After that, retype a new password. After that, tap on change password and follow the further instruction. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.